I am your computer science teacher Chaitra. So I'll be continuing with the story of a computer with part B. So in part A we have learnt about the story of a computer. Everyone has understood the story of computer, right? So computer parts, what are the main parts of computer? Then mouse and keyboard. Now we are going to learn about the CPU, monitor and exercises. So shall we start now? Yes. So story of a computer, how a computer was formed, part B. Yes. So the teacher is asking here, children, we saw about the story of computer. What are the parts of computer? Let me know, she is asking. So one is telling mouse, the other is telling monitor, then CPU and keyboard. Children, learn the spellings of all these: mouse, monitor, CPU and keyboard. So next, let us learn now some of the keywords related to part B, that is computer, COMPUTER. Second one is CPU, CPU. Next is rectangular box, RECTANGULARBOX. Then controls, CONTROLS. Activities, ACTIVITIES. Next is brain, BRAIN. Next is calculation, CALCULATION, calculation. Next is store, STORE. Then monitor, MONITOR. Next is television, TELEVISION. It's also called as TV. Next is display, DISPLAY, display. Next is pictures, PICTURES. Next is 13th word is draw, DRAW. Next 14th word is play, PLAY. And 15th word is games, GAMES. So children, please learn these keywords. Next, so we saw in the last the four parts of computer are monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. Can you just see the image? This is the monitor. It looks like the television. Then this is the CPU, central processing unit, which controls all the activities of the computer. Then this is the mouse, MOUSE, not your mouse, animal mouse. It is computer mouse. Next is the keyboard. So last class we saw about the keyboard and the mouse. Now in this class we are going to learn about the monitor and the CPU. So let us see what is a CPU. So children, have you seen our brain? This is our human brain which controls our all the body movements, correct? With whatever we are going to think, everything is controlled by the brain. Similarly, the computer has also a CPU which controls all the activities of the computer. Yeah, brain controls our activity. The CPU controls the computer activity. You can see the CPU image here. It controls everything. Next, see the CPU image, children. The most important part of the computer. So CPU is the central processing unit, which is the most important part of the computer. It is also called as the brain of computer. It controls all the activities and do calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So what is addition? Adding the two numbers, subtracting the two numbers, multiplicating the two numbers, and next is dividing the two numbers. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All these calculations are done in the CPU. So CPU looks like a rectangular box. Is it? Yeah, it looks like a rectangular box. CPU looks like a rectangular box. CPU stores what you have done in the computer. So whatever you do the calculations, everything is stored inside the computer. Now tell me, who is the brain of computer? It is the CPU. Next, let us see about the monitor, children. So this is monitor. See, can you just see the monitor here? And this is the television. Hope everyone have seen the television, correct? It is also called as TV. Both are alike, right? So they look like same. Yes. So whatever movies, videos you're going to watch through the television, even you can watch through the monitor. Monitor looks like a TV. Monitor is the display part of the computer. Monitor shows letters and the numbers you type. You get result. You can see the result on the monitor. Monitor shows the picture you draw, games you play, correct? It also shows whatever the picture you have drawn, whatever the games you are going to play. We can see movies and videos through the monitor. So it looks like a television, that is TV. So you can just see both looks like same. Yeah, now there is a small poem, children, about the computer. So computer, you have so many parts, correct? There are big ones and small ones. Yeah, there are big parts as well as small parts. And one that makes you start. Yeah, you require all these parts to start a computer. The central processing unit where it all begins, because it is the brain of computer. Some people call it the CPU. Yes, it has a hard drive which saves everything you do. The monitor is the top part, which might look like a TV. It shows everything in color so that you can see whatever you wish to see. So it shows everything in color so that you can see whatever you wish to see. The keyboard lets you the input letters and numbers alike so that you can type great stories and poems if you like. The mouse has two buttons and a rolling wheel in the middle. It helps to glide you across the screen when you give it a little jiggle. Yes, it helps to guide you across the screen when you give it little jiggle. So this is the mouse, or this is the poem, small poem about the parts of computer. Hope you like it. So next we come across to the exercises. So I have given the textbook answers. You can go through here. The dash is the display part of the computer. It is the monitor. Dash is the brain of computer. It is CPU. Dash has two buttons and a wheel. That is your mouse. Dash contains a lot of small buttons called as keyboard. So cut the unwanted ropes to get the name of the computer parts. So you need to cut the unwanted ropes here. See, I have cut down the unwanted so that you will get a computer part, MOUSE. Similarly, other parts also you can just cut it down and you can write the name parts of the write the name of the parts. And have given you the homework, children. Observe the keyboard and write the missing alphabets. So you need to go and see the keyboard and you need to write me the missing alphabets here. Some alphabets are missing here, so you need to tell me which are all the alphabets are missing and write the missing alphabets in your textbook. So next, help the mouse to find out his friend. Yes, you need to help the mouse to find out his friend. Next, so all the stickers stick the numeric keys in the ascending order. So all the keys are given at the back page of your textbook. You need to stick the keys in the ascending order. Fill the dots, color and name the parts. So I have named the parts already. So you need to color it, children. Next, stick the pictures of related computer parts. I have already done. Piano looks like the keyboard. Brain is nothing but the CPU. Mouse is looks like your animal mouse looks like your computer mouse. So I have already stick the pictures. You also do, children. Find out how many computer parts are given below. You need to write down how many parts. Yeah. So you can see only one keyboard is there. You have two CPUs is there. Two monitors. Then how many mouse? It is 3 mouse. Correct? So you need to find out how many computer parts are there. Already I have given. So please do the exercises and complete the homework. So we have completed this chapter, that is story of a computer, that is part B. Thank you, children. Have a good day.